to have Mr. George Rancourt and his team from the Corporate Education Centers in India visit us. It is exceptionally important that we get exposed to the kind of learning that Mr. Rancourt has to offer to all of us. And before I introduce him formally, there are a couple of questions that I want to address, get answers, and then move on. How many of you believe that India is a superpower in mathematics, engineering, and in the English language? I need a raise of hands to indicate how many people believe that India is a superpower, super achieving country in mathematics, science, and the English language. Well, it's very heartening to know that even though that is not true, a lot of us believe that it is. Just to give you a sense of why this question is important, and I'm sure Mr. Rancourt will bear me out. There is an organization called the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, which every 3 years produces a report called PISA, the Program for International Student Assessment. This is an assessment that is done comprehensively over 3 areas of mathematics, science, and English. And in the last ranking, which happened in 2012, we ranked 73rd out of 74 nations. So at least if there is a silver medal for topping the leagues for the worst performance, India should be there. And in spite of the tremendous glory that the IT industry has given to India, the fact of the matter is that kind of quality that we see in the IT industry is restricted to a few cities or a few suburban areas of India. We need to widen the net of development if we are to see India as a superpower of the future. I have had the singular honor of meeting him last week, and one question that I asked him was, Mr. Rancourt, a lot of us think of settling in the US or Western Europe to have a better life. Can you please tell me why you did a reverse migration to India? And he said, if you can open your eyes and ears to what's happening, India is the most happening place in the world. I'm glad, sir, that it takes an American to tell us how great our country is. Mr. George Rancourt is the former Director of Training for Asia Pacific for Monster. He is a very active member in the expatriates community in Hyderabad. He is what I may call a quarter Hyderabad. He's been in Hyderabad for about 8 years, which is actually less than a quarter. But then he understands the city more than any one of us actually does. Just to give you a sense of his professional background, he is the Chief Executive Officer of a major training organization which is established in Hyderabad called the Corporate Education Centers. He is also won numerous accolades from companies like Microsoft. I believe, in fact, your Google search tells me that he was one of the key movers behind the Microsoft certification globally. It's a great honor to have you here, so I won't take any much of your time. I will also, on behalf of the management, invite the other guests from the CEC, Matt, Michael, and our other guests. Thank you very much. We will have a couple of hours session which will wind up around 3:30. I encourage all the students to please participate in this interactive session. No question is a wrong question. Only a question that is not asked is a wrong question. So please keep those rules in mind and feel free to ask any question pertaining to GRE, GATE, or most importantly, the topic at hand is developing a global mindset. So with that, I leave the dais to Mr. Rancourt. I'm sure this will be a very productive session for all of us. Thank you.
Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. I don't like to stand behind any.